Well, hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome back once again to Jack's Photo and Tech. Guys, I wanted to show you today just a very easy, I'm sure the title and the thumbnail always gives it away anyway, but I'm going to show you very easily how to back up your photos from your Photoshop elements. Now, backing up your photos is very, very important. It's a very critical thing that you must do. Trust me and take it from somebody that knows, yeah, this guy right here, that knows I've lost quite a bit of photos, and I've just, you know, amazingly, even though me and I teach technology, have lost photos simply because of a hard drive crash. Hard drives are man-made, and they can and they will fail. So take it upon yourself to save your memories and put those away for safekeeping. Now, there's a couple ways we can do this, and I recommend doing, actually, you should have two backups. You should have the backup, first of all, it should be on a storage medium, which I'm going to show you today, and it should also be somewhere in the cloud. Now, I know cloud storage is expensive, especially when we get gigabytes and terabytes of photos and videos that we're keeping nowadays. It does get very expensive. But losing your memories, right? Maybe your kids' childhood pictures, maybe parents. I have a lot of pictures of my parents when they were living. So those memories cannot be easily brought back if you lose those photographs. So I recommend putting them online somewhere. I do use Shutterfly. Now, Shutterfly also sells photos, and I also buy stuff from Shutterfly. So support them because they are giving you some free storage area where you can keep your photos. I only upload important photos there that is a keepsake, so I know that they're always there. So today, as I said, we're going to start off very simply here by showing you what I use to back up my photos. You will have to go out and buy yourself external hard drive, okay? You can find these on Amazon's. I would recommend at least 2 terabyte, if not today, maybe 4 or 5 if you can afford it. Buy something, right? Bigger is always better. And I always tell everybody that you're not ever in your lifetime going to store less data. So you want to have a good, solid backup drive, okay? Again, man-made, can fail, but it's better to have 2. A lot of people have told me, Jack, I have a hard drive in my computer. Why don't I just back up to the hard drive? Folks, if your internal hard drive on your computer fails, your backup is going with it. Is it possible to restore photos? Sometimes we can restore photos from a failed drive, but most times it's a lost cause. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug this in. This is simply a USB backup drive, okay, or an external drive. You can put anything you want on this. As you'll see when I plug this in, I have a lot of stuff on my external drive. All right, so we are going to go ahead here. We have it plugged in. And, yep, okay, it's plugged in. It's ready to go. All right, let me get this out of the way. You can see here we're in our Photoshop Elements. Here's our backup drive, our E drive. Now, I do have a folder on here already called Photoshop Elements, but what I would suggest you do, you probably do not have that right now. Right-click, go to New, and go to Folder. We're going to just type in here Photoshop for the sake of this video, okay? Make sure you note what the drive letter is, where it says backup drive. Now, I named my drive that. Yours could probably just say E drive or F drive. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you note that, okay? Close that. All right. The next thing we're going to do here, we're on Photoshop Elements in the organizer. Go under File, and we're going to simply go down to Backup Catalog. Okay. Now, Backup Catalog structure. Back up your current catalog organizer structure like keywords, tags, people, places, events, albums. This option will not back up your photos and videos. That's not the option you want to use. First, we have to do a full backup. A full backup, depending on how much information or pictures or videos you have in your organizer, may take quite a while. So I would suggest go out, get yourself a nice cup of coffee, and take a coffee break as your backup is running. Now, once you get that backup ran, all you got to do after that point is you simply go and you will do incremental backup. Incremental backups is anything you add new to that organizer. So let's say, for instance, we did our last backup in November after Thanksgiving, and we had some Thanksgiving photos we put in. And we backed everything up. We have a nice, good, full backup. Come Christmas time, you take those Christmas morning pictures of the kids opening gifts, parents visiting, Christmas dinner and such. At that point, you would take those photos and you would just go in here and do an incremental backup. As long as you're backing up to that same folder, it will grab just the new photos and you don't have to wait as long. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So once we click full backup, we're going to click next. It's going to calculate the total size. We're going to click our E is my backup drive. You can see I also have my Google Drive loaded here, but we're going to back up to my backup drive. Click on Browse. And when I do this, you'll see that I created a Photoshop folder. I'm going to select that. And now I know where those photos are going on that hard drive. So many people just want to select E and it just puts them all over the drive. That's a bad idea. Organization is key to file management. Click on Save Backup. Once you do that, it's going to start writing to that external drive. Now, folks, I don't have a whole lot of pictures in here because this is my demo computer. I use this to create videos for you guys out there on YouTube. So it's just something that I don't have a lot of pictures in here. This is not my main organizer. My main organizer is on my other computer that I use for my daily stuff, all my photography work. So this is going to take a while. We're not going to sit and watch this because I said it's like watching toast in a toaster. It's like watching grass grow. It's like watching paint dry, right? It's something that we don't need to watch. So you may have a lot in there. As again, I said, go take a coffee break. Relax a little bit. Let it go. Don't bother it, right? Just let it do its job. Folks, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial does help you out to protect and save your precious memories. It's such an important thing that we must all do. Take it from somebody that's lost many photos over the years, but thank goodness I do, put them up and I do tuck them away in the cloud also. And I think that's a good double step, right? You can never have enough backups. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to the videos, please subscribe. I will be maintaining and bringing out more photography type videos as well as some tech stuff for you tech enthusiasts out there. Thank you. And really thank you for your time for watching the video. And if you can, give it a big thumbs up. I would appreciate that also. Take care, everybody. Until next time, keep your shutters clicking. Keep your editors editing. And I'll see you back here very soon on Jack's Photo and Tech. Bye for now, everybody. Take care and have a great day.